I'm going to show you a quick way to clean up your Mac so you can optimize it for telehealth if you're using a Mac for telehealth. Now, if you saw my video yesterday, you saw that I'm still running telehealth on my Mac and actually running Parallels and using Windows as well, and running Mac OS X and Windows 10 for Parallels for when I see VR patients. So we can actually see, if we go to About This Mac, that it's a 2012 version and has the newest OS on it and has new Parallels and everything like that. So how did I clean this up? Well, one simple way to clean this up is if you go, I'll put this in the description below as well. So if you go to here and you go to to folder, and we're going to go to this folder. So right there, I'll copy that in the video description. If we go to this folder, we can see we have a bunch of shit here. This is stuff that your Mac's been indexing probably forever. We can see back to 2017 for a few issues here. And you know, it's 2020, so it's been doing this for a while. We're going to select all of that, and then I just hit the Command Delete key. Going to move all of that to the trash. Another tip I'm going to show you is if we go into System Preferences and we go to Users and Groups, we go to Login Items, we can see that we have stuff like Google Chrome here. But you don't want this because it's going to slow your startup, so you're just going to click here, and then that's gone. Now, once all this gets deleted, you're going to restart your computer, and it should be faster. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below with any questions, comments, complaints, concerns. If you want to schedule a telehealth appointment with me, go ahead and I'll post that link below as well. And thank you for watching.